So you're looking at one of these Armor All travel vacuums, for lack of a better word. They can be manipulated around. They can use them for a car. You can use them for any number of applications. We use them to clean out our car mostly. I'm going to show a video of what this thing actually looks like and the attachments included. As you can see in this first video that I'm going to share, there is a kind of a brush nozzle that is available that you can use to clean out your carpet mats and things like that, that actually brushes the things off of the carpet as it sucks it into the vacuum. It's a good suction, plenty enough for an outdoor car. The wheels on the actual item itself helps it roll along. This is the larger version that we have, and we've been impressed with it. We use it for cleaning cars constantly. There's also this other smaller attachment, which you'll see demonstrated as well, that has a little head on it that has a little smaller brush. You can actually use it for very small areas, and the suction really jumps up because it is coming out of a much smaller section. And then there's another product here that has a flat bill that you can really run right through the seats or any flat areas, and it really adds a lot of suction in a very limited space, which is nice, especially if you're cleaning out cars and need to run it over the trunk or something like that. And then lastly, there is one more brush that is a bigger headed brush that's great for cleaning cup holders or things like that you don't want to scratch to pieces, but because it has that nice soft bristle head. And overall, it's a great product. We've not had any issues with it. We use an extension cord because the cord's not super long, but for most people, if you're in a garage or something like that, it's going to be plenty long for your use, and highly recommended. It's been a good product.